Ciao, 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 ciao. Waya wa invite wa invite. Ibi edo n'ụzọ mo waya wa bo we wa ba van o wa bo ta wa bebe na re kai. Le no princess we la dian princess ogogo. Mo mo sa won gbe. Ibi la dian wa la wa gun me share video na o wa invite real life. Real life on Facebook. Wala no wa gun me invite. Wa subscribe to my YouTube channel princess ogogo mo mo sa won gbe. Wa invite to wa subscribe. Wala no wa press like o. So ila dian be ogbe na we ni wa drop a message na here. Oja me ya iladian so ina we ya be gwe bi e ma be wan no concern me social media presenters so here ya ya iladian wala o wa gun share video na wa ya wala mogun otu wa ya to ko ke mo bottom mo wa invite real life on my Facebook wala wo wa gun me invite wala wo so here ya me ya iladian be o avana so let's say we around level 30 ma ye wana so oja me ya iladian na we need to ibe drop a message na iherebe no be ise so e no ya me ya iteme na go because e social media o kan do see e no igbegbe igbe because ina we ya be drop a message na ni be my social media social media presenters e blue da be ladian because openi ke gun agun since then ibe gun ya be gun adin ya ga be ihon o ya me ya gwe ga be ladian ni do be gwe iya be gun ni a ila ogogo So you people should help me to invite and subscribe. Invite I'm on live on Facebook, not YouTube, on Facebook. You people should help me to share this video. Invite your friends to come and listen. Thank you very much. I should do that. God will bless you. Thank you so much. So ya me ya we ni be iladi na we ni be do explain emi be imaya here because where we e wo ade we e wo ita whether good or bad. Social media ni mauna iya ni we Facebook because we do ige Facebook now is very important because or solving many problem a problem no solve opologbe because egenede ni mana are egen mayare bu na around that 22 years ago or 25 years ago egbe we na makara iro but you have anything where you spend a lot of money or maybe you can allow them or ya mioma you should like boss you will go away we go when no ya make sure why am your money but maybe na gare it stop a lot of problem for everybody in the whole world oga eyan be weba ani we gidi ere ma be we biza emi esi eyan iwu because ebe ni me ya ge emi no cause na be Facebook na Facebook na tin ya we na ya communicate with somebody. Then now ya do a key if you have anything or because a public na iwe or mini because if you have anything to do na maybe you are him or mama you can ask me wo wa gene da amu lele ya hia awe no na do de o ya la moto we zigi ya we hia you know a stress ni o ya iro but a Facebook na ni ya we na ya do a key no now ya communicate to our people manu ma ere mi ede ya maybe also no ma ere mi ede o etu no ma ere mi ede o we ya do that we me and we not tell you no we with this Facebook and all those things then you will get them back and it's very very important we no ma we no ma no yere people we back ma we na do me we no do see oge igbina no do see oge igbina or no do see no do asili gberi je awebo or na do see na ido ya robiye ewo na kere ma we be oni ni esi ya iwe iba ma we na do si no do si na ya filu gbeje una kere ado ajunu ya te emeda no ma keke na ta ado ajunu ya ita ya ma we be oni so ya me we ya be advice no cause na social media na or presenters ogigbina ogezo awe ba ni esi ya we ba ge ebu no be we bi ere ma be we ntan so no na emi ni agwe okay do see e na ma expect ya gidwa mi ewo so ina we ya be advice ya ni understand we no me ni allow go o ma no ija jige ni o ya kare ka o ya iri pay internet o pay internet ni we we do ye internet ni we ya jigo we ya pay then do ya tell na ma o do ya we no do si owu o do si emi ame o do si gwe o ma make sense very only so o egbe very only yan iwe iba ni ala wo ibi omo ne do ni ala o ni aje lo platform mi aje èmi no my carry ta so gba ni e ta be my video ni e ka be ni alo eje èmi no imani are lo eje èmi no si e problem gian no so ku ebo odo si oku bu odo so ku mi ame odo si e family excuse me ati wa bege so e yana we igabe ila diani be igun ya be idelegbe igun a ni ala wo èmi no bunro na lo platform ma shi no concern èmi no ma we na ya dole wo ji e we na ya we mi si e aya dueki aya we mi obehi you know anybody no any idea no ja wo all that yan we the people will see you anybody no we like it's a big market o ma no we like all do yan we ni o we gwe do eyan we iba wa ila wo ibi omo na do so wa la na mu e mata na mu je o to no concern me social media na ihon so ni ala ni alo platform ya you no ma because again de no mana karo there are many people no soon we mana excuse me even okpare sunu we a whole land we gani wa do okpare sunu we a whole land we gani because oga are wo wa because again whether good or bad na wa do ge o wa na je mana yo we na ge face me and face you oyo na ani kinai oh oyo na ge face me I face you you understand so omani oga aru ogwa ke e club re ta we social media na we Facebook na ga aro ma so ogwa wuru ogwa mo se wiki ma ke don e ki an la dian ve e ba ni akedon e be de te mi na no na ga aro igbo e ga iro o koloma o communicator ma we oko gemi no wi e o mebi egbe mara yen o you know but that ma ona wa vuje wo gwa be very oni ati wa bege so ana be we this Facebook and social media na be ya communicate egbe because yen hin agege aru gwa bu tati yen mama ni igugun o yen do gbe ku do ba iken ga lati an be mu do yen ke do ti won yi kona we ni ma be he o ti yen ide ni ya ine mo but o wi se ba ni ikin ati no lati an be wo wa so yana do ti e police o ri do gbe ku do ba yana do mo lati adoge owu ni but they tell me na ya ga aro o ya won so we mama no we ya igugun no we ya communicate with ege wa wuju wa very oni so inaka we is very important so na ha do abuse no do me we to ri si e owu o ri si mi ame o ri si mi obe he mi no market so o market ke wa gbi o network ga ino so o market na do ya igbina ya iwe ba mi no ma ya we ba na we have le ma be mi ebe eteniku ni ala ho ni agie ije platform ya ni alo eje ebi no keke ebi na ana be he mo ma bi no ma ebi na do he mo ma gbe ado a he me we all over the world we o ma dan okun ugu ya ti ebo ni ma ugu ya gbina ugu ya fi gbeje ogwanu kere ugu ya teme no ma keke nu ta o do si ogure iya ni we ya ma we be ri oni so na we have ila de gbe la jani be mi ti maniku all social media presenters ni ala ho ni agagi mu e problem ni ge family ano itotaje ogwa because ama iwe very na ma prepare a Facebook or so a presenters no do ayo because we no je na no ye bi han ari wa eri me ya talk me because even the ko da hin mo e bola jan ba me e nuju nu we ata wa wo gwa he wo so ni mi na ya we business so ye na me na agwa o ya han do iri wa because eri na because my Sonia no presenter na o ha mo mane because when ya we ya oye na me we egi ti ari we for their own good is for na ya destroyable na kere na ya agbina na ya we no makeke eyin ari do imu eba because eri ogidi na because ya oni agbeke di social media presenter ya oni ari ni man orowa so ari yen ga make ni dan ije o ya me ya we ya be lati ani be egun ya to no concern ene social a presenter and even a present if you want to present something maybe ado ata lo pa or a present de ba o le o present de o mo se o present de mechanic o present de mi kin o to be kin o present anati social media presenter who present e binu en go ma no like why present e binu ma la di o wo so that the o wa bere we e ri wa je oni o da mi go we e ma so ni a lo e platform ya ne ya present e binu ma ni ya present e binu suhure e binu si mi amere e me no kan e binu ro wa ni aya mu nu ya ji e binu ma kan ya So ina we ga be adi advice na be drop e kere be ni adi ahun yen everybody with him problem he that dog oh ya pay internet no ya iwo ge bet for me here pay internet ni to ya tell me na ma emi no move e go down no ma emi jogi me ya I can't pay use my money to go and pay internet to ya ro bi ma or ni to ya we rubbish ya. No, it's not okay like that. So ni allow ni a make sure we ni a lo a platform me aje emi no gba ne ma saba ne gima kwigo seka why kwigo when ya say internet dem do ya ho emi seka na ya no se problem la a family ila owa so no mai so ina go ga be iladian ni be kwaka e mata na wa ya wa we so so we ni wa be drop ni be na be my Facebook we na my mobile wa iladian kedere ado my Facebook na ja wo she na mobile drop a message. So now we have a drop even a bit. I have a post my own YouTube process over with most I want go. Wala one was subscribe you and wala you have a ladian maybe Naija Wash or my ladian Naija Wash. Please, you people should help me to share this video. Share this video. Let your friends let them listen to this message. I will present as maybe a public orgy ni allow ni ave gay ni ave ni so maybe we never drop na maybe ave me ni so no we lie o ni oni ave so o ya me ya ladian na we be you want na Facebook na wa ya wa we say wa we say mo wa ya fefe no wa ya go ya share my video you be no wa ya game me no wa ya share my video all over the world wa ya wa we say keni evo keni mae keni enie keni mae ni wa ya wa we say mo wa work mo say we na we obe wala wo no wa ye gun ya share my video wa we say ma mo bo wa ma ni bun but ni ya gun share all over the world na no US o America o Canada o Britain o all over the world wa we say we o bo no wa ya share video me me hilu wa ya no wa ya ge me wa gi geru ye usalobo no de ba wa la wa mi o we wa ya share video all over the world wa ya wa we say wa baba yo wa we say ya be drop we na wa we say wa baba yo wa cha 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 mure cha ba cho